Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the GGPoker app on your iPhone or Android device. So first up, swipe up and go to your app store. For me it's on the home page, home screen. From there go to the bottom right to the search bar, or the search page, and just below the word search in the top left there's a sort of grayed out bar that says games, apps, stories and more. Click that and that's going to let you type in GGPoker. As I'm in the UK, it's going to be the GGPoker UK app. From there, press get. And then it's going to ask me to basically confirm my ID with face recognition. So double tap the button on the right of the iPhone. From there, it's going to download the app. After GGPoker UK has installed on this device, it will basically say, it'll have a new button that says open. You're going to click that. It's going to let you enter the device, enter the app rather. Want personalization, click allow on the next screen. I'm going to click allow. Allow to send notifications. And that's going to start up the GGPoker app. Basically, you want to give it a little bit of time to download. I'm going to come back after this has fully downloaded on the device. Okay guys, so GGPoker has completely downloaded on this device now. What you can do from there is, if you do not have an account, hit the sign up button below, and that's going to bring you to a different page. You've got to select your country of residence, go through all the steps, your email, your password, and follow all the steps until your account has been created. However, if you already have an account, you can go in here, type in your email address, your password, and log in. Or actually you can sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Okay guys, well this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please subscribe and like